Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Welding. Today I'm going to introduce a product which is very popular in European market. It's TIG&200 pulse. The output current is 10 to 200 amps. Let's see the front panel. Okay, here we can see it has three functions: TIG pulse, TIG, and MMA. So with TIG pulse function, here we can set up the parameter. First is pre-flow, initial current, upslope time, peak current, base current, downslope, grade current, and post gas. Also here we adjust pulse frequency, pulse duty cycle. And with MMA, we can set up hot start, arc force, and hot start. So it's quite compact and portable compared to old type, which has many looms on the front panel. It's more user-friendly. So compared to DC TIG, it has less afterheat and no deformation of the workpiece. Very good for the thin plate welding. Okay, that's all for TIG&200 pulse. Thank you.